For those who want to neaten the cable travel on their Xtool D1 laser, this is a simple solution that takes only a couple of minutes to install and uses the existing wiring. I purchased a 10 by 20 millimeter open type cable drag chain from Amazon. I affixed the ends of the cable chain to the unit with a couple of pieces of 3M 1-inch permanent double-sided extreme mounting tape. I didn't need the entire length of the chain, so 40 links and the 2 ends was sufficient. And one cable tie keeps the front end of the chain from moving. To make it easy to keep the existing wiring, disconnect the end of the cable from the motor and the laser head. Now you can open the chain tabs and run the cable vertically into the chain a few links in. Thread the cable through the chain to where it will exit at the other end of the chain. Then reattach one plug to the motor and the other plug to the laser head. Now just close the clips and we're all done.